All right, continuing looking at if statements. Let's say that you're writing code for an event that has different prices based on your age. So if you're 5 or under, it's free. And if you're 65 or older, it's free. Everybody else pays $10. Okay, so we're going to have a variable. I'm just going to use A for age. So age equals, and again, I'm just going to use an integer because we're not going to use a decimal in our age. This is going to be an input. Okay, so first we're going to ask them what their age is. And we'll trust them. We'll assume that they are telling the truth. All right. So we're going to have if the age, and let's say if they're 5 or under, so it's less than or equal to 5, or if their age is greater than or equal to 65. Put my colon there. Print no charge. Okay, now I want to put in another if statement. If age is greater than 5, not if it's equal to, but if it's greater than 5, and age is less than 65, semicolon, say $10, please, because we want to be polite. So for age is 43. Oops, let me change I used age as the variable before, and so then I put in age instead of A. So, all right, let's try running this again. What is your age? Say 43. $10, please. What is your age? I'm just 2. No charge. What is your age? Oh, I'm old. I'm 87. No charge. Okay, so that's comparing numbers. That's using the or. If either one of those are true, the whole thing's true, and the and, they both have to be true for it to be true.